Hello students and welcome to your virtual classroom. My name is Arsim Nazidi and I'm an English teacher at Vasil Glavinov Elementary School in Venice. Today we are going to talk about interests and free time activities. So what do we understand by free time? Time available for hobbies and other activities that you enjoy. So, in this lesson, you will learn how to talk about your free time activities and interests in English. What do you like doing in your free time? Talking about your interests and free time is a great way to start a conversation in English. So, by the end of the lesson, you will learn how to talk about your interests and free time activities, use the verbs like, love, enjoy, and hate with the ing form, and learn new vocabulary. So, we'll focus on four main parts. So, part 1, vocabulary. What words do you know for free time activities in English? In part 2, we'll look at what do you like doing. Part 3 covers how often and where do you do your activity. And in part 4, why do you like or dislike doing that activity? So, let's start with part 1, interests and free time vocabulary. What words do you know or can you think of for free time activities in English? For example, some people prefer things that you can do at home, like surfing the internet, maybe watching videos on YouTube, or cooking. Others prefer more social activities like hanging out with friends, visiting relatives, going shopping. Other people prefer more outdoor activities like doing sports, for example, playing soccer, going jogging, going swimming, playing tennis, etc. Other people like taking photos, or painting, or woodworking, being more creative. So, can you see a pattern here? After the verb like, we use the verb plus the ing form. For example, I like walking in the mountains, or I like watching horror movies. But just using the word like may be too much repetitive. So what other words can we use to describe our interests and activities? Well, we can use words such as love, enjoy, or hate. For example, I enjoy swimming. I love cooking. I don't like doing the housework. I hate getting up early. So, this is the main pattern for describing activities and interest. The verb plus ing. Okay, let's continue. In part 2, we will look at what do you like doing. So, what do you like doing in your free time? Do you have any interests? Example, in my free time, I like watching TV. I like cycling maybe. I like chatting online, etc. We can also use, as we mentioned before, other words to say that we like doing something. For example, I love, I enjoy, or I hate. I enjoy reading. I love playing computer games. I enjoy surfing the net. I hate getting up early. I'm quite interested in cooking. Let's move on. Part 3. How often do you do your free time activity? So we need to add details to our ideas. How often do you do your free time activity? For example, I enjoy playing golf at the weekend. I absolutely hate cleaning. I only clean once or twice a month. I really like walking in the rain. I always go out when it rains. So, what about you? Can you tell us an example? How often do you do your free time activities? Some expressions that you can use with free time activities and how often you do them are once a day, 3 times a month, every day, sometimes never, etc. Okay, let's continue. Where do you do your free time activity? So now we want to add more information to give more details about where do we do our activity or free time. So we have some examples. I like walking in the park. I walk every evening in the park near our house. I absolutely enjoy reading in the garden. I always read there when the weather is good. I really love scuba diving in the sea, but I don't get the chance to do it often. So as we can see here, we have added some information as to where we want this activity to happen, or where we would like to happen or do it. For example, in the first example, we would like to walk in the park. So where's the park? Is near our house. Then we have we enjoy reading in the garden. In the garden in our house. And we love scuba diving in the sea. So remember, when speaking, always try to add details. It will make your English sound more natural. And in part 4, why you like or dislike something. Still adding details to your ideas. So we've got some examples here. I really like cooking because I get to choose what to make. I absolutely enjoy camping because it is so stress relieving. I really love traveling because I get to meet different people. I don't like shopping because I hate spending money. I hate flying because I feel anxious. Now it's your turn. What activities do you like or don't like doing? Can you say why you don't like doing them? Try to combine all these elements and make longer answers. It will make your English sound more interesting and exciting. So, let's look at some grammar. So, the spelling rules for the ing form. So, in the first column, we've got the infinitive. Read, fly, cycle, swim. In the second column, we've got the verb plus ing. So, I like, read, and we add ing. I like reading. In the negative, she doesn't like flying. He loves cycling. So, as you can see, in the word cycle, we have omitted the letter E and we have added ing. Also, in the word swim, we have added the last consonant, the M letter, and plus ing. We like swimming. He doesn't like shopping. Same. So we have added the last consonant and ing. And the last column is spelling plus ing. So, as we said, we have omitted E and added ing. One vowel plus one consonant equals to double consonant plus ing, like in swimming or shopping. And one last thing. Don't double final X and W. Example, boxing, snowing. We can't say boxing adding another X or snowing adding another W. That would be a mistake. Okay. So, I hope that you have learned something so far. And for homework, you should write at least 4 sentences about your interests and free time activities. And don't forget to show it to your teacher. So students, I hope that you've learned something from this lesson and see you in the next lesson. Have a nice day.